Wait, don't skip. If you're thinking about buying a pickup in 2026, especially if you live in the USA or you're an overseas Asian buyer watching from Japan, Thailand, Malaysia, or the Middle East, this video can save you thousands of dollars. Today I'm ranking 3 of the most talked about Ford pickups for 2026, from pure street power to smart daily utility. And I'll tell you which one actually makes sense for Asian roads, fuel prices, and resale value. Number 1 is extreme, number 2 is the smartest all-rounder, and number 3 is the old-school king. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel. If you love new car news, honest ownership talk, and real-world driving, hit like, hit subscribe, and let's start with the number 1 pickup everyone is talking about. At number 1, the 2026 Ford F-150 Shelby. This is not a normal pickup. This is a performance monster built for people who want a truck that feels like a muscle car. In the USA, the expected price starts around $95,000 to $110,000 US depending on trim. In Japan, after import taxes, you're looking at roughly 14 to 16 million yen. In ASEAN markets like Thailand or Malaysia, it can cross $140,000 due to duties. Under the hood, this truck is all about power. Massive horsepower, instant acceleration, and highway dominance. In simple terms, in city driving it feels big and aggressive, and yes, fuel consumption is heavy. Expect around 12 to 14 miles per gallon in city use and up to 18 on the highway if you drive calmly. There is no hybrid here, so fuel cost is the biggest downside for Asian buyers. Maintenance is also expensive. Tires, brakes, insurance, and servicing cost more than a normal F-150. But resale value is strong, especially in the USA and Middle East. Limited numbers mean collectors want it. Insurance is high because of performance classification, but parts availability in the USA is good. In Asia, parts may take time and cost more. Compared to a Toyota Tundra, the Shelby wins on performance but loses badly on fuel savings and daily comfort in traffic. This truck makes sense only if you want power, image, and weekend fun, not daily Asian city traffic. Now let's move to number 2, and for most Asian and overseas buyers, this is the smartest choice. The 2026 Ford Ranger Thunder. This pickup hits the perfect balance between size, power, fuel economy, and cost. In the USA, pricing is expected around $38,000 to $45,000. In Japan, imports may land around 6 to 7 million yen. In ASEAN markets, especially Thailand, this truck is extremely competitive, roughly $40,000 to $48,000 locally. The Ranger Thunder shines because of efficiency. With modern turbo engines and mild hybrid options expected in some markets, fuel average is strong. In city driving, you can expect around 22 to 24 miles per gallon, and on highways, up to 28. That's a big win for Asian fuel prices. Hybrid tech helps in traffic, reducing fuel burn and saving money long term. Performance is simple and usable. In the city, it feels easy to drive, easy to park, and smooth in traffic. On highways, it's stable, quiet, and confident for long trips. Maintenance cost is moderate, much lower than full-size American pickups. Insurance is affordable, and parts availability is excellent in Asia due to shared platforms and local assembly in some regions. Resale value is very strong, especially in ASEAN countries where mid-size pickups are always in demand. Compared to the Toyota Hilux, the Ranger Thunder feels more modern inside and more comfortable on highways. The Hilux wins on pure reliability image, but the Ranger wins on tech, comfort, and driving feel. For Asian roads, narrow streets, and mixed city highway use, this is the smartest pickup in 2026. Now number 3, the legend. The 2026 Ford F-250 Highboy. This truck is about presence, strength, and old-school power. In the USA, pricing starts around $55,000 and can go up to $75,000 depending on configuration. In Japan, this can cross 9 million yen easily. In ASEAN markets, this truck is rare and expensive, often above $90,000 after import. Fuel average is not its strength. Expect around 14 miles per gallon in city driving and about 18 on highways. There is no hybrid advantage here, so fuel cost is high for Asian buyers. But what you get is durability. This truck is built for heavy loads, rough use, and long life. Maintenance is higher than Ranger but lower than Shelby. Parts availability is good in the USA, but in Asia, you need specialist import support. In city driving, it feels big. Parking and tight roads can be challenging in Asian cities. On highways, it is very comfortable, stable, and relaxed, especially for long-distance driving. Insurance is moderate to high depending on country. Resale value is solid in the USA and Middle East, but slower in Asia due to size. Compared to a Toyota Land Cruiser pickup or heavy-duty Hilux variants, the F-250 wins on power and road presence but loses on practicality for daily Asian use. This truck is best for buyers with space, business needs, or long highway travel. So which one should you buy? If you want extreme power and don't care about fuel or cost, the F-150 Shelby is pure excitement. If you want the smartest pickup for Asian traffic, fuel savings, low ownership cost, and strong resale value, the Ranger Thunder is the clear winner. And if you want heavy-duty strength and classic American truck feel, the F-250 Highboy delivers. For Asian buyers, smart ownership means thinking about fuel, maintenance, resale, and daily comfort, not just power. And that's why mid-size pickups are winning in 2026. If this video helped you decide, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and comment which pickup you choose and why. More new car reviews, ownership guides, and honest comparisons are coming, so stay tuned and drive smart.